Find the area of the region common to the circle, that is in between again. Area in between x square plus y square is 16 and y square is 6x. So this is the equation of a circle. This is a parabola open right. Y square is 6x is parabola open right. This is the equation of a circle with the center at 0, 0. Radius is square root of this. So radius is 4. You have learned this equation of a circle, x square plus y square is a square. A is the radius. Now this is the circle and we have to draw now a parabola. Y square is 6x. Okay. So find the area of this region. The common region is asked. So this is 0. So we need to find this point. Okay. So let us find this point. Point of intersection of the circle and the curve. X square, the circle and the parabola, they intersect. So how do you find the intersection? See, x square plus y square is 16 and y square is given as 6x. So substitute that here. So you get x square plus 6x is equal to 16. So x square plus 6x minus 16 is 0. So you get x plus 8, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is minus 8, x is 2. Minus 8 is not possible because the curve, the parabola is open right. Y square is 6x is open right. So that minus 8 you cannot write. So somewhere here is 2. This point is 2. And radius of the curve of the circle, radius of the circle is 4. That means this point is 4. This is 4, 0 and somewhere here you have 2, 0. This point is 2, 0. So we can just now draw one line here. Okay, this is 2. This point is 2. So 0 to 2 plus 2 to 4. 0 area under the parabola from 0 to 2 plus area under the, so you can see the boundary here, the line, the curve is parabola here. 0 to 2, the boundary is the parabola. 2 to 4, it is the circle. So we have to find, and this area you need not find, we can just double this area. Because of symmetry, both the areas will be equal. So let us find 0 to 2 plus 2 to 4. So the area between the circle and the parabola, is A is equal to this is, we take it as y1 and the circle you take it as 2. So first one is y1. The boundary is the parabola, the red curve, plus integral. The limit is from 0 to 2. This is 2. This point is 2. So 0 to 2. Because the curve, we have just found the intersection. Circle and the parabola are intersecting at 2, y coordinate we don't want. We are not using the y limit. So you need not find. Then 2 to 4. 2 to 4. From 2 to 4, the boundary is the circle. Here the boundary is the parabola. Here the boundary is the circle. So 2 to 4, y2 dx. So y1 is the parabola. So A is, y1 is the parabola. Y square is 6x. So y will be equal to root of 6x. Y is root of 6x. So integral 0 to 2 root of 6x dx plus 2 to 4. The second y2 is the circle. Circle's equation is x square plus y square is equal to 16. So y square is 16 minus x square. So y is root of 16 minus x square. So y2, the second curve, is root of 16 minus x square dx. Now we have to integrate this. You know, integral of root x. x power half dx is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This you can write as 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. So this is equal to root of x is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 limit 0 to 2 plus now root of a square minus x square, there is a formula, that is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. This you learned last year. X by 2 root of the integration of this. So your a square is 16 and a is 4. So I am going to use this formula here. So root of 16 is x by 2 as it is, x by 2 root of a square is 16. So 16 minus x square plus a square is 16 by 2 sine inverse x by a is 4. Limit is from 2 to 4. So root 6 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2, applying the upper limit. So 2 3 by 2 minus 0 plus apply the upper limit. So it's become 4 by 2 root of 16 minus 16 is 0. 8 sine inverse x is 4 by 4 minus, then apply the lower limit. So 2 by 2 x is 2 by 2 is 1, root 16 minus 2 square is 4. 8 sine inverse x is 2, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So it is equal to root 6 2 by 3, and so this is nothing but 2 root 6 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 is 2 cube to the power 1 by 2, that is root of 8. Root of 8 is root 4 into 2, that is equal to 2 root 2. 2 root 2 plus 8 sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus root 12, 8 sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So we get here 2 root 6, 2 into 2 4 root 12 by 3 plus then here 8 pi by 2, that is equal to 4 pi minus root 12, then root 12 minus 4 pi by 3. So LCM root 12 minus 3 root 12. Root 12 plus 12 minus 4, 8 pi by 3. So this is the answer, but root 12 we can write it as root 4 into 3, that is 2 root 3. So it is equal to 2 root 3 plus 8 pi by 3. Now this is what we got is only this area. Now we want full area, that means double. This area plus this area will give you the full area. So the total area is equal to square units.